Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to grow rose plant cutting in water. To grow rose plant from cutting, we must require green cutting as they root very fast in water. The minimum height required for rose plant cutting is 5 to 7 inches. They grow best in this size. Remove all the leaf. Our cutting is ready. Now take a glass jar, fill it with water and drop your cutting in it. You can grow rose plant cutting in winter season and also in spring season. Keep your water clean away from direct sunlight and you will see the magic. You can take all the cuttings. You can grow your cutting without rooting hormone or you can add a little bit of rooting hormone. Your cutting will grow in both situations. After 5 days, we can see our rose plant shoots are growing very healthy. We can see the leaf bud which are so pointed and are ready to grow. We have kept a single leaf set. This will allow water to flow in your cutting and let your cutting to grow. To get 100% result, change water after every 20 days and keep your cutting in bright location so that your cutting can get enough light to grow its leaves and also root does not get damaged with sunlight. After 25 days, we can see lots of roots and lots of new shoots. All leaf has fallen down and new shoots are growing. If the cutting is grown in soil, the roots take nearly 30 to 40 days, but in water, you can see bright new shoots. Also, you can see the new root system. If you see roots are growing, you can add a rooting hormone so that roots growing process also increases. We can see rose plant is growing very healthy. Now it's time to add some soil media so that rose plant can get enough nutrients from soil and can grow much more bigger. You can grow all rose plant cutting in water. Don't hesitate, just take a small cutting and try to grow it in water. You will see beautiful root system and beautiful shoots. Let us prepare the soil mix so that we can grow our rose plant. For soil mix, we are taking a loose soil mix of 60% normal soil, 20% of vermicompost and 20% of coco peat. Giving loose soil mix will allow your cutting to grow more roots and your cutting will get much more healthier. The pot selection is very important. At the early stage, try to give small pot with drainage hole. Fill your pots with soil and grow your cutting. Let us take out our cutting from water and we will select the best cutting so that we can grow a healthy cutting. Here is the display of rose plant cutting grown in water and see the root system, how beautiful our rose plant cutting has grown roots. Here you can see beautiful roots grown from the stem part. These roots grown in water are compatible with water. Now they have to adjust with the soil. Now we will select the best cutting which can adapt the change. At this stage, your rose plant cutting may grow, may not grow, as transplanting in soil may result in die of your rose plant cutting, but 99% of them will grow. We will grow 2 rose plant cutting in a single pot. This will allow the maximum result. Now keep your cutting nearly 1 to 2 inches deep in soil and fill your pot with soil mix. Keep your cutting in shady environment for nearly 10 to 15 days. See the progress of your cutting and after that you can shift your rose plant cutting in full sunlight. Now our cutting is ready. Try to give water every day and maintain the moisture as our root system is developed for water. Don't allow your soil to dry for nearly 10 to 15 days and you are good to go. Hope you like this method of growing rose plant cutting in water. If you enjoy the video, please hit like, and if you want to see more such videos, do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.